everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search music from here. Click on music app and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache music app. After clear cache music app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix music fail to play tracks error on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.